How's it going, everybody? Austin Carter here. I hope you all had an amazing holiday and especially Christmas. Today we're doing an unboxing video. This is a gift that I received for the holidays. I'm really excited to show it to you and then kind of talk about my future goals with it. If you've been following along from my last video, I posted a giveaway for some art supplies that I use to do all my drawing and stuff like that. And so I have randomly selected someone out of the comments, and that was Jeremy Alexander. Congratulations, you're the winner of the kit. And so I'm going to be contacting you and then getting your shipping information, and I will get that pack of cool stuff shipped out to you. So again, congratulations, and I hope it really helps you out. I hope you all enjoy this video. Stick around and see what I got. Alrighty guys, so this is the main box that it came in. This again was a Christmas gift, and so my wife and my parents kind of collabed on it, and so I'll make sure to find out where they purchased it from. I'm assuming Amazon, that's where I found it. They sell a bunch of different ones. I think the same company makes them, but they're all named differently. So anyhow, it was taped up way better than this. Again, this was a Christmas gift. I opened it, to show everybody kind of what it was that I was talking about. And so, yeah, there's tons more tape and packaging than just this box. So anyhow, flip it open, and right off the bat, right on the top here, looks like in English, you have, it says an online video guide with looks like with 2 YouTube links. It's got a little message to the company. So I guess this is something that the Amazon seller made. Maintenance and operation. All right, so this is pretty nice to have. So it gives you a bunch of links, an email. All right, very cool. All right, moving on, we got the shoe mending machine operating instruction. And this is at the top. Everything is in English, and it looks like just a lot of instructions, some trial and error stuff. Looks like on the back you have a graph with the structure, instructions how to, let's see, adjust the pressure of the pressing foot, assembling and disassembling the machine needles, adjusting needle rod, adjusting the shuttle barrier. So it looks like it's got some fairly decent, helpful instructions with a little schematic of how everything's supposed to go. Sweet. Alright, some styrofoam packing. And if you've done any research on YouTube or anything, it all kind of seems pretty much how everyone's kind of finding it. In a styrofoam container in a box, heavily packaged with, yep, a lot of oil. You see it all in there. Let's see what we got. Alright, looks like we've got a little toolkit. I don't think I've seen anybody get one of those in the videos. So you got your Phillips screwdriver in a straight slot, and it looks like a little wrench. Not sure what this is, but we will find out. That's cool. Looks like they gave us some thread. Oh, sweet. Oh, they gave us the thread puller that you'll stick up to pull down your thread. I thought I was going to have to make one of these, and most people have made it, but they included one. That's pretty cool. Oh, a lot of stuff. Whoa, lots of stuff in there. Okay. Alright, got you some thread. Let's see. Not sure what size that is. Definitely not 138. So that's cool. They send you a decent amount of thread. Alright. Okay, some caps. I'm guessing those are for the feet. Yeah. They go on the stand, which I'm not going to use. Oh, can't even get that off. I'm not going to use the stand. I'm going to create my own. It's the post for your thread. And then you got a bunch of nuts and bolts, which I'm assuming is going to this. And then looks like probably a couple aspects of the machine. So pretty cool. Everything's nice and new and kind of clean. I'll probably polish that up a bit. Got some needles. Let's see what we got here. Yep. Looks like a package of 10 or so. Yep, 10 pack. 10 pack of needles. Look like they're in decent condition. Alright, here we got the base for the sewing machine. Again, not going to use this, going to make my own. And then your feet. But everyone says it's super flimsy, so I'm just going to build my own. Alrighty. Got the rotating wheel. Looks like it's in decent shape, covered in oil. This isn't bent, which is good. Man, I might have lucked out with this one. Every form that I've read, everybody said sometimes you get a dud, sometimes you get one with some broken parts. But so far so good, and we've gotten extras, so looking awesome. Alrighty, and here we got the machine itself. Nothing else in there. Just the box. There we go. Yeah, and covered in grease and oil. Let's turn it this way. Alright, very cool. So, as in a lot of the videos, this has been tested already. I'm not sure, but it kind of seems like it's been filed down. I'll probably give it another go. Everybody's been filing down this surface, but they seem to have kind of taken off the edge a little bit. I'll file down this screw for sure. That'll sit right there on the wheel. It's your winding bobber. They've pre-wound or pre-threaded the string for you, and everything looks pretty nice. They've attached your, let's see, three bobbins with a bobbin shuttle, and everything looks to be in decent condition. Again, they're like $100. So, I mean, this is something I'm going to be using to. This is something I'm going to be using to hopefully do some custom shoe toppers for like the Hey Dudes and the Sperry's and some other types of shoes. You know, just expanding and trying to learn some different stuff, and so I thought this would be a cool addition. So if you do decide to get one of these, you know, be prepared to find maybe a bomb went off in the box, or hopefully you get something like this. And again, I haven't tried it out at all yet. This is straight out of the box. The only reason I had everything kind of opened was because it was a gift on Christmas morning and everyone kind of wanted to see what was up. But so far so good. It's going to get a good cleaning. It's going to get run through, make sure everything works on it. Again, I'm not a professional at this at all, so I'm going to be learning as I go, and I'll be back with probably an update to see how it goes. I'm excited, and hope you all follow along. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I hope this is kind of the stuff that interests y'all. It interests me. I'm not a huge sewing machine nut, but this is my third machine so far. I have the Tippmann Boss. That was my first machine, and I might be making a second review video on that. It's been kind of giving me some issues, and I'm not super happy with it right now. But then I have the Cowboy 3200, which I am in love with, and may or may not do a review on that. But this is my third machine. I'm excited to put it to some good use and get it going on some custom orders. Alrighty, well, I hope y'all had a great Christmas, and I hope that you subscribe if this is something that y'all are interested in, and we'll see you in the next video. Y'all take care.